knocking up it's Chuck's here, just knocking up the bullseye. I've made that. Made this bit here. I'm not actually 100% happy with this bit, but it'll do the job. That's okay, but this on the outside looks like it's got lines through it, but maybe it's meant to be like that, I'm not sure. It fits nicely, snug inside there. And this is the air vents getting made. This thing hasn't missed a beat since I've built it. I made a Z part, but I'm actually going to use that because I've made my own, I make my own ABL Easy, or EZABL parts. Quite handy at making those. No offence. I'd donate the money to him, but it's just too dear for me over here to buy it. So I make my own. So just another thing I make a lot of stuff. And yeah, and I've got a mate to knock up me one of those, which is fantastic. Anyway, that's it from me. Hope everyone's having a great day. Looking forward to getting more work done. I got to this point here, but I wasn't sure how this actually fitted underneath to fit it in. And my daughter cracked the shits because I had it running all night. So it's actually inside the house at the moment. Normally I have this will go back down the shed, and I'll put the me Pi with the software on it and the camera to watch this, and so I can monitor it. Rather than that, everything's going well. I still need to find more batteries. If you're in Victoria and you know where you can get more 18650 batteries, please send me a message in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.